Hey guys, it's Dominique back with another video. Okay, I'm gonna jump into this really fast. I'm gonna do the intro really fast. So, first of all, if you're new here, hello, I'm Dominique. Welcome to the channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a corset top video. Now, this is not a tutorial whatsoever. This is just me doing a video. Now, I followed another video on YouTube. I will be putting the name down below and what the YouTuber's name is. I'll be doing a voiceover for this video. So before we get into everything, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this channel. Please do it for me, please, girl, honey. And I look bummy, but I also came back from an interview, so that's why I look a little weird. Anyways, but thank you guys so much for watching, and let's just jump into the video. Period. Hey guys, so right now I'm actually cutting out the pattern that I actually got on another YouTube channel. So I printed it out, but I will be putting the link in the description below so you guys can use that if you want to. So after I cut out the pattern paper, I'm going to be putting all the pieces together to get an idea of what the corset is going to look like. So this is me putting everything together, and then now I'm going to take my fabric, I'm going to fold it in half and make sure you have enough room for it, and then I'm going to place the pattern on the fold of the fabric. But before I actually put everything together, I actually ironed the fabric just to make it more flat. But here's me now pinning everything together on the pattern and fabric, and I'm going to put everything on the fold and then pinning it down. So this is the corset part, and then the other part is the princess part that goes on the sides of the corset. And so here's just me pinning everything together, but it's kind of boring, so I'm going to cut that short. So once I'm more further into pinning everything, I will now slowly, because this is the fastest this little video can go, but after I pin everything, the corset and the princess part of the corset, I am going to iron my lining for the inside of the corset before I start pinning everything together. Now I did the exact same thing with the lining before I did anything else, and then I realized I need to add another strip to the pattern, so I did that. Now I'm gonna put darts in the lining, as you can see, just to get darts in the corset. Me tired. This is going really fast. So here's me sewing the darts for the lining before I do anything. Look at me, focus. Go sis, go sis, go sis. Hey, get it, hey. That's me showing the darts. And warning, do not cut yourself with scissors as you're cutting the thread or fabric. Now here is me sewing the fabric together for the princess part and the outside part for the backing, and I'm sewing that together and around the rim. So here's me sewing the straps together, and this is what it looks like. So you can see the outside part sewed right here. That's where I messed up, and I'm going to be showing you my mistake. So now I'm actually cutting out the thread because the lining is too far from the fabric and I need it to match up. So now after sewing everything together like so hard, I iron the lining again so it can become flat together. And then next, here's me putting the cable ties in. This is where I'm going to be sewing them. And here's me sewing the strap together. I had to do that very slowly, but surely we got through it. And this is another mistake that I did, which is always okay. The zipper was actually too long for the back of the corset, so I could not use the zipper whatsoever. So I found elastics and I cut them into thirds and put 3 of them in the back so I could you know, put it together. But I'm going to have to fix that later on. And here is the final result of my corset top. This is not a tutorial or whatsoever. This is just me following steps, and obviously I couldn't put in other videos I had because they could not download. So here's me with the final result. And on the side, oh, there's a backing. So that's the backing that messed up. So I'm going to have to get another zipper that's small enough and zip that on. So, and then zip it on. And then I turn, and there's actually a side where the seam is popped out right there. I'm going to show it. But here is the seam that's popped out, which I'm going to fix later, of course. That's easy. But you can see the cable ties going down and then one down the middle. Here's my little strawberry, period. But it's really cute. I thought I did a really good job for my first project, and I'm showing the rim part, the edge of the corset. And this is my corset on the mannequin, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.